Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a more aesthetic fence using the Maron Rose Iron Fence in Heartopia. Like if you place the fence directly on the ground, it usually looks short and less aesthetic like this. Looks short like this and not aesthetic. So to make it more taller and more elegant, you actually need a wall underneath like this. But here's the problem: in build mode, fences can be placed on top of wall like this. They can only be placed on the ground or floor. And so here's the trick. But first, make sure you already have the Maron Rose Iron Fence material like this. This one. If you don't know how to get it, just check the tutorial link in the description to watch the full tutorial. And then next, just go into build mode like this. And then next, just tap on the present icon at the top right corner, this one, like this. Like this. And then now just place your low wall first. This one. For example, I want to make on here. And then just arrange it however you like to match your fence designs. Customize the wall color and pattern to fit your aesthetic. For example, like this. And then I will add a more wall. And then next, just place pillars. Just any type of pillars. For example, I want to choose this one. Just place it on the four corner near your wall. And then next, just take one floor piece from your house and overlap it with the pillars. For example, I want to take one from here and then just place it like this so it overlaps with pillars like this. And then next, just tap on the eye icon in the top right corner and the check button at the same time until it overlaps like this. Like this. And then next, just to do this to the all side. Like this. And then next, just delete the pillars. And then next, you can place the Maron Rose Iron Fence like this. Just place it like this. And once everything looks good, just tap on save like this on here, this one. And then when you're done, just tap on complete. And done, your aesthetic fence is finished. And the floor that you use will turn to its original place over there like this. And then it's without changing your wall and fence combinations like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.